inspire mo. Alright, so, congratulations. Ako, listen kayo magtinagalo po no kahit ano. Congratulations sa inyong anniversary, Cebu Vlogger Society. Is that what you guys call yourselves? Right. So, anong first year pa man, I've seen a lot of vloggers or vlogs from Cebu. Like, ako na yun namutana. Ruben!
Sige, mag-story na. Okay.
I-explain to no, ma'am.
Sige, gumanin niya. Basta, ako isulti, gumanin niya. Ilang ko din tama sa okay. So,
sige, okay. Past tense naman.
Oh, past tense na. Okay. Anyways, yes, the question was?
Anong first year pa man ninyo nga? I've seen a couple of vlogs.
Actually, this is our 5th year.
Ah, okay.
This is the appreciation night.
Kami 8 din.
No, that's Infinity.
Infinity Pool.
Yeah, Infinity. Yes, this is our 5th year. February 14, 2008, the group was founded. And so, our forefathers there, and then, wala karon. After 5 years, we're here, we're in this hotel. Wapag itong hotel na yes.
So, congratulations. Actually, si Ruben, akong friend na siya since 5th NYT pa.
I see.
2005. So, sa una, mga kuwan pa kami ni Ato. Mga formal na kayo ba? Mga politiko pa kayo.
Oh, wow!
Karon bisa kunsa ba sa makakaon? Vlog na mo, ma'am. And I'm hoping sometime this year I can join you guys because I'm asking Ruben to help me with a travel vlog. I'm from Otes man. So
wow, I love Otes. Where in particular?
San Francisco.
Wow, I like
Ato lang dito na ina ko kasi ilang princess na. Pwede sa mobile life, panuktok lang na everyone.
What's your tweet?
Yes, Princess Manzon, at Princess Manzon. At Princess Manzon.
At Princess Manzon.
Manzon with a Z.
And your Facebook?
Oh, you know, Facebook.
Ayaw na, very personal? Okay.
No, I mean, okay lang, pero wala din kayo mag-Facebook.
You're not very active.
Yes, Instagram lang, Princhilias, pinaanak ko doon. Basta makita na natin sa Twitter, so once again, congratulations. I hope mudaghan patah apil-apil. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Princess, for gracing your show.
Thank you very much, Princess.